Hey, it's Anton here, and I'm the maker of Boilerships. And the reason why I created this app is because every time you use another boilerplate on the internet or you clone a repo of GitHub, you will always have to go to a certain config files, read the README, and it can be a real headache if it's not working out like the README is telling you. So that's why I created this product. Let's dive into the landing page and I will show you how the product is working. So when you scroll down, you have the option to choose from two tech stacks. Here you can see this is more like a cloud version with Nextjs, Supabase, and Stripe. And this is more like if you want to self-host everything, it's Nextjs, Postgres with Drizzle. So you will also have a studio like Supabase, but it's fully self-hostable on Docker, for example. And then you will have BetterAuth and Stripe, of course. So how is Boilership working? It's easy. It's super simple. You can just fill in this form like we will do right now. So you can give your app a name. I will call it demo. And then here you have a certain pattern that you need to fill in, like a certain form. First of all, we need to get the Supabase URL. Super easy. You can just go to the Supabase dashboard, press on the connect button. And then here you can copy and paste in your Supabase URL. Do the same for the anon key, the service role key. You can find them right here. Go to the project settings, go to API keys. Legacy anon service role API keys. And here you can see them on your screen. Just press the copy button, go back to Boilerships, paste them in the input fields, like that. And then here you have the option to add Stripe. It's fully optional. So if you leave them blank, Stripe will not be configured in the env variables. But of course, for this demo, we want to show you everything. So I spin up a playground here and let's get the publishable key. Let's paste it in. Then let's get the secret key. And then for the webhook secret, you can just spin up a local webhook with the Stripe CLI in your terminal. Then if you copy the secret and you paste it in the input field, then you can just press on generate and download and it will generate a zip folder for you with everything set up. So here you can see it will automatically get the name of your app. You can just press save and I will show you what you can do with the project right now. Once you generated your zip folder, you can go and extract it. Once it's done, you can just open it in VS Code. You will get a basic Nextjs project with the app router. An API will already be set up for Stripe with this checkout and the webhook that we just connected to by filling in the form. Then you also have like a login, pricing, register pages, and I will show you how they look like. So of course, the first thing that we need to do is the npm install to install all the dependencies of your project. Once all the dependencies are installed, you can just run your app by typing in npm run dev. And then we can go to browser, localhost 3000, and this is what you will get. So what you can see, the authentication is directly working. I already had a user in my Supabase dashboard, but let's create a new one to show you that it's actually working. So let's name it test user. Let's copy the email as a password for this demo. Of course, don't do that. And as you can see, we now logged in and we have a secured route, the dashboard route. You will also have a pricing, but you have to do one last step for this. You have to set up your products in your Stripe account. I already did that, so I can paste the Stripe env vars for the price IDs in the project. You can do that too if you want. It's super simple. And then the pricing will work straight out of the box. As you can see, processing. Voila, the sandbox is loading and you can just pay if you want to test it all out. So once you tested the Stripe, you can go back to the landing page and you can just start customizing this boilerplate. It's super easy. It works like a regular Nextjs project and you can, customize everything as you want. For the components, we're using ShetCN. So you can see that here in the UI folder, you will have access to all these sets and components. Right now, let's get back to the landing page to wrap up this demo. So if you are interested in using Boilerships, you can go to the website. It's boilerships.com. We have a limited launch discount going on. And yeah, I hope you just ship it.